Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gong CRM integrations for call insights, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Gong CRM website. Look for the login option on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the designated password box. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Once logged in, locate the Integrations section in the main dashboard. Select the option for CRM integrations from the menu. You will see a list of available CRM systems. Choose the CRM you want to integrate with Gong. Follow the prompts to authorize the integration. You may be required to log in to your CRM account again for verification. Once connected, configure the settings according to your preferences. Make sure to enable call insights within the integration settings. Save your changes before exiting the settings page. Return to your Gong dashboard to ensure the integration is active. You can now access call insights through your connected CRM. If you encounter any issues, consult the Help Center for troubleshooting tips. This completes the login process for Gong CRM integrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.